I'm Chef Eric from Chef Eric Catering. Today I want to share with you how we make our popular dish, the spinach and cheddar quiche. First thing we do is caramelize the onions. This brings out all the natural sugars. Then we add the spinach, and the spinach, and the spinach, and the spinach. This stuff really shrinks down. Evenly distribute the spinach mixture in each of the pie shells. Then we add our egg custard laced with Edam and cheddar cheese. The key to a great quiche is getting the custard filled right to the top rim. And then into the oven to bake for 35 minutes. When the custard is set and the crust is golden brown, it's ready for us to deliver it to you. Once we let it cool down, that is. There's our quiche. You can heat it, you can eat it, or you can save it. $14, what a deal. From under the cap, I'm Chef Eric.